Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a withdrawal failure on TesterUp using an app. Let's get started. First, open the TesterUp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, check your earnings. If your balance says pending, you cannot withdraw yet. TesterUp must approve the tax first. Wait until the tax status changes to approved. TesterUp requires a minimum withdrawal amount. If your balance is below that amount, the withdrawal will fail. Complete more tasks until you reach the minimum cash out limit. Another reason is if tracking is off, TesterUp may not verify your tasks. Open iPhone settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. After that, tap on tracking. Now turn on allow apps request to track and scroll down and turn on TesterUp. Then reopen the TesterUp app. Sometimes the app just need a refresh. Close the TesterUp app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe away the app. Open TesterUp and try withdrawing again. Make sure the app is updated in the App Store. And that's it. Most TesterUp withdrawal failures are caused by pending tasks, low balance, wrong PayPal email, or tracking turned off. Fix this and your withdrawal should work. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.